This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to download OWASP Broken Web Application project. It is a collection of vulnerable web applications that is distributed on a virtual machine in VMware format compatible with their no-cost VMware Player and VMware Sphere hypervisor. So now let's see how we can download OWASP BWA. So what you need to do is you need to type OWASP BWA OWA file and hit enter. So after hitting enter you will find so many links. So what you need to do is you need to click on this particular third link, which is osdn.net. So when you click on this particular link you will find this particular page. So when you scroll down you will see these files. So what you need to do is you need to click on this particular file, which is .owa. Okay, so when you click on this particular file it will show you this kind of interface. So when you click on this particular link, which is OWASP Broken Web App VM, so after clicking on this particular link you will find you are redirected towards the source files. So it will start downloading your OWASP VWA. So this is very large file. It will take lots of time. As you can see that it is 2.4 GB file. Okay, so when you click on OK button it will start downloading. Okay, so this is how we can download OWASP Broken Web App for the Windows. Thank you for watching this lecture. Hi guys, we have successfully installed Kali Linux Metasploitable 2 machine. Now this time to install OWASP BWA. So for installing it, you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded OWASP Broken Web Application. So I am inside the folder where I have downloaded it. So I'm going to just double click on the OWASP Broken Web App. So after double clicking, as you can see that we are going to inside VirtualBox. So we are inside VirtualBox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it like OWASP BWA. And after hitting enter on import, you will see it will start importing the files. So I'm going to just pause the video till the completion of this. Now file importing is being successful. So next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. So when you click on this particular machine and click on start, it will start booting. When you open it first time, it will going to take some time. It depends upon how much RAM you have allotted to this particular machine. So as you can see that the booting process is being started, and just wait till the completion of all the process. Now installation process has been completed. So it is asking for the login. So the username will be root and the password will be OWASP BWA and hit enter. So as you can see that we are inside the OWASP BWA vulnerable machine. So as you can see that the IP address of this particular machine is, if config hit enter, so the IP address of this particular machine is 10.0.2.15. So this is the IP address of this particular machine. So we are going to see later how we can use all these IP addresses for our attacking. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture.